Ililibre natin si Jamshir sa McDonald's kasi nulungan niya tayo kahapon. So let's go, libre natin ang lunch. Beef, mine. Beef. What's yours? What you want? You already ordered? Yeah. Samantala po ni Jamshir ang libreng lunch niya. Kaya hinahanap niya yung pinakamasarap. He want the most delicious because it's free. So guys, this is McDonald's. So guys, mawala na naman tayo ng ganitong pera. Mabarihan na naman siya kasi lilibre natin si Jamshir. Sila nakakapag-design. Umiling pa siya ng strawberry juice. Let's go. Inabuso tayo ni Jamshir. Daming order. Kasi may pa strawberry si Jamshir. 20. So guys, yun na nga, meron silang McCafe sa loob mismo ng McDo. Galing, pwede. Dito sa akin ayoko ng strawberry, hindi ako nainom niya. So orange juice lang tayo. Pure orange juice lang tayo guys. Okay. Ang laki ng tasa, oh. Wow. Ginawa nilang ano ng ilaw. Sure. Ganyan, no? Kape. Pag wala na silang lagayan na ano, yun ay nilalagay. Sineserve nila. Yan. Inuhugasan. Only fine, Mapi. Thank you. Yeah, this is Mr. Jamshir. My long time friend here in Saudi Arabia for almost 1 decade. We always eat here in McDo. Mine is French fries. Oh wait, we buy both. Same like that. Only price different. Yeah. You want a strawberry shake?